Hi everyone, welcome to this channel, Grow More channel. So today we will see prediction for the next week. Before that we will see what happened in the last week, Daywise prediction as per Vedic and SBC, and we'll see about silver and so many things we are going to see. So 22nd September, December, if you see here it's Monday, so our expectation is positive and we got positive, and next day we'll see here weekly. It is a positive for Nifty, Bank Nifty. But if you see here, closing base you can see negative, but definitely you can see here we saw almost 100 points rise in the Bank Nifty. Next day we'll see here. Due to a lot of calculations, it will be taking little time, at least 3 seconds. So the Bank Nifty was negative expectation and Nifty was positive. And negative level-wise, Bank Nifty we saw negative, and in case of Nifty, though showing closing negative, you can see definitely you can see almost 60 points rise in the Nifty. Okay, so it's an intraday success. Okay, and 20 was a holiday, and next 26 December is a Friday, and you can see here expectation was negative. Okay, negative for both the Bank Nifty and Nifty, and you can see. 1 second. Okay. I think volume was a little low. Okay, now you can see the volume has come up. Now you can see negative was a view for 20 December. We got a cube. So now let us see for the next week, day by day. So next week looks little bearish actually. We will see what days and what is the reason also. And for Monday you can see it is positive for Nifty, Bank Nifty both. And in case of Tuesday, let us see here what is the view. Tuesday also looking positive for Nifty and Bank Nifty. And for Wednesday, let us see here. Wednesday looks negative for Nifty and Bank Nifty. One is the moon conjunction, nakshatra conjunction is there for with Uranus actually. There is one other reason, and there are other reasons also. And for Thursday also looking negative actually for Nifty, Bank Nifty. So little careful because of the expiry also is there. And then the 2nd January is the next working day, and you can see here it's also negative. It's a Purnima, okay, so full moon day. So stay cautious with long positions in case of Nifty, Bank Nifty next week looking negative actually as per the Astrology. So it's not a recommendation for trading, but however definitely as per the education purpose clear, I'm just giving this views. Okay, so once this is done, now let us go to the point of control method and see the levels. What is the levels we are expected to see in case of Nifty, Bank Nifty, Dow Jones, silver, whatnot. Okay, so if you see here last week, if you see this is a daily, and let me select a weekly. Okay, and weekly we will select here this 20 previous day. Let us select previous day, 19 December. So next week was a bullish, and we saw 297 points rise in the Nifty. Okay, and in case of Bank Nifty, let us see here Bank Nifty. In case of Bank Nifty, it was bearish, and then we saw 140 points fall and 301 points gain actually. Okay, so since if Nifty, Bank Nifty both are giving the same view, then the trend is strong. Okay, if the trend is giving different direction for Nifty, Bank Nifty, then it's better that we stay a little cautious actually. Okay, so let us see here what is the view for the next week. So if you see here for Bank Nifty, it's showing bearish actually. So point of control also is indicating that is bearish for the next week. So better to stay cautious. And for Nifty also we'll see here what is the view. So Nifty also giving a bearish view for next week. So definitely Nifty we are not and Bank Nifty we are not looking for any long position as per the point of control. So stay cautious. This is a stop loss for your long position, short position is 26,609 for Nifty. And in case of Bank Nifty, it will be around 15,078. Okay, so 15,011 we closed. So any rise we should be able to close the position at 15,078. So this is what indicating the point of control. Now let us see here for silver also. Silver weekly position if you see $76. Okay, this is in dollars. I have made in rupees also. We'll see that after this. Okay, 76 is the bullish position. Stop loss is 76. And in case of gold is 4527 next week bullish, and you can see 4527 will be stop loss. And in case of Bitcoin, let us see in Bitcoin what happened. Bitcoin is indicating bearish actually for next week, so cautious. If you see for the previous week what happened, Bitcoin showed bullish 87,951 was the stop loss, and bullish we saw 2,500 points rise in the Bitcoin actually. And similarly for Ethereum. Ethereum also you see here it is bullish, 98 points gain in the last week, and then next week you see here for next week it is indeed very bearish. Okay, so stay cautious with Nifty, Bitcoin and Ethereum also. So this is what it's indicating for your all the instruments. And the monthly also have a look at it. As of now still we will close the month actually, so we have almost like another 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 3 days left actually. So as of now, if you see for Nifty, Bank Nifty, silver, we don't know, as of now no point. Nifty if you see it is bullish with 26,000 as stop loss for next week and next month as of now. So as of now still we have a long time to go. So Nifty Bank you can see here it is also indicating is bearish as of now, 15,145. I think with a bearish for the next few days in the week, and I don't see any like bullishness coming in the Bank Nifty for the next month actually. Already we are indicating some weakness in the Bank Nifty. And in case Nifty closes below 26,000 level, something like that, due to Bank Nifty's weakness, definitely then I'm expecting next month could be bearishness for the Nifty as well. Okay, this is what the view actually. And let us see here for silver, what's the status. So if you see here the point of control indicated that for silver we made almost 92,000 points in PoC level for futures. And then we can see the what is the view for open interest analysis. If you see here 20 December, so 2,20,000 is our highest open interest, having at 21,219, and actually strike price not opened also much actually. Okay, so stay cautious. And then copper also is now started moving up actually. In just last few days it has made a very big move actually. On 24 December 100 points move actually. Yes, 2,500 points, 2,500 kg is the lot size, and then 2,500 into 100 is what you can expect in one lot actually. 2,500 into 107. Actually 2,67,500 is the gain actually in per lot. So copper also you can have a look at it actually. If you see here copper, let me show you for the copper. Copper is already like skyrocketing in the silver, like silver actually. If you see the copper currently trading 1,277. If you see the daily chart, you see in the daily chart here actually. You can see skyrocketing in 1,240 levels. But in case copper, if you see in the USD terms actually, it is near the futures price. If you see here, it is near the previous high what we made in the month of July actually. So once this passes, then we can see almost 15-20% move in the copper actually. So copper is what next silver looks like. 9% rally saw in the copper on Friday actually. So definitely long positions what all the traders are looking at in copper also. So in case of silver, if you see here for week ending 19 December, we expected a bullishness, and 2,06,000 level was the bullish view for silver, and we saw 35,000 points move in just 1 week actually. Okay, highest ever gain in single week. Next week, if you see here 26 December ending, so the next week also indicating bullish, and stop loss will be 2,35,000. Any breaking below 2,35,000 only will be shorting position. But as of now, there is no chance for bears to enter the market for silver. Completely bears are banned actually by bulls. So carefully, any short position, all shorting positions are getting squeezed, and the bears are getting hit very badly. So definitely is a bloodbath for the bears. Okay, so definitely don't try to short now. That's what my data is indicating actually. 2,35,000 is the stop loss for all long positions. So stay cautious. So silver level I told, Gann levels, and then Daywise also does a good. If you see here the Daywise also, you see every day like bullish view was there. Next day 2,003 points bullish. Only one day like 18th December it is bearish, and we lost some 1177. Otherwise all the 4 days are bullish, and we saw very good gain actually. In the silver actually every day it gets almost 13,600 points gained actually. Okay, so definitely it is a bullish momentum in silver, and lot of news going on in silver due to the physical shortage of the silver. So stay cautious. Okay, hope you enjoyed the video and got some insight. Thank you so much for seeing the video. Bye.